Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by measuring the entire run along the wall and marking where the edge planks will sit. This establishes the expansion gap the manufacturer requires, usually about 1/4 inch. Once measured, undercut door jambs so the plank can slide under. This creates a clean seam and prevents gaps. Then score and snap or use a vinyl cutter to trim your first edge plank to width so it fits snugly against the wall while maintaining that expansion space. Once your first planks fit, dry fit several edge pieces to confirm the profile and keep a straight reference line. This avoids surprises after glue. Next, apply the adhesive or double-sided tape per the vinyl spec. Use a notched trowel size recommended for your backing. This controls transfer and bond strength. After placing planks, press firmly and roll the seams with a 50-pound roller to ensure full contact. Make sure to wipe any squeeze out immediately so it doesn't cure on the surface. Finish by installing edge trim like quarter round or a reducer. You want the molding to cover the expansion gap without pinning the flooring down. If you're in a wet area, use a bead of silicone between trim and wall to prevent moisture intrusion, but never fasten through the plank face. Secure into the baseboard or substrate. If you notice gaps after installation, stop and inspect the subfloor. Unevenness causes separation, so level or shim the underlayment before relaying affected planks.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.